Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to get YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV, step by step. This guide will help you start streaming live TV, sports, and shows easily on your big screen. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure your TV is plugged in and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Use your Samsung remote to navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Access the Samsung App Store. From the home screen, scroll and select Apps. This is where you can find and install all available applications for your Samsung Smart TV. Step 3. Search for YouTube TV. In the Apps section, use the search bar to type YouTube TV. Make sure you select the official YouTube TV app from the search results. Step 4. Install the app. Click Install to download and install YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV. The process should only take a moment depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open YouTube TV. Once installed, select Open to launch the app. You can also access it later from your App section or the home screen. Step 6. Sign in to your account. If you already have a YouTube TV account, enter your Google credentials to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account and start your subscription. And that's it! YouTube TV is now ready on your Samsung Smart TV, giving you access to all your favorite channels in one place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.